To clear your Google Play Store search history on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Play Store. Tap your profile icon at the top right and then select Setting. Tap General. Tap Account and Device Preferences. Under History section, tap Clear Device Search History. A pop-up appears to inform you that all searches you've made in Play Store on this device will be removed. To continue the process, tap Clear History. By doing this, your phone will remove your previous search history on this device so that they will not show up when you are searching app or games. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.